Now I will tell you the project plans.
Can I use OpenOffice? No.
OpenOffice also, no issue, but the output Word document should be .doc format. In OpenOffice also we can use .doc, right?
Yes.
So it should be in .doc format.
Okay.
Okay, no problem. I will tell you all of your doubts, and once I finish my demo class to you, so I will clarify you all of your doubts. Okay, now just you check it out here. Now see here, this is the package plans. This is completely offline data entry work from home. Means all you need to, you have to download the data by using the internet only 10 minutes, and while uploading the data only you need the internet. While performing the data, no need of internet connection. For that reason, so we can call it as a only offline data entry work, not online data entry work. This offline data entry work, it is 10 months contract period. It is for this 10 months contract period, so only one time registration fee, that is also completely refundable for every customer. Okay, so the registration fee importance also I will tell you. First we will look into the project plans. See here project plans are 15 days and 30 days only, and 150 pages, 250, 450 and 600. Those who are having their timing, their capability, their capacity and timing, they will select the package plan. Okay, the first one you can check it out, 150 page plan, 1500 rupees is the registration fee, only one time registration fee, refundable registration fee, and it is 20 rupees per page, and you will get 3000 rupees salary after 15 days of duration. Okay, when it is means if your accuracy comes above 95% of accuracy, so accuracy means your correctness. So how you are performing the data, doing the work is different and maintaining accuracy is totally different. Okay, you may assume that 95% आने का चांस है क्या, पॉसिबिलिटी तो नहीं है 95% आने का, आप लोग सोच सकते हैं, लेकिन वो भी सही है, 95% नहीं आता लेकिन 100% आसान से मिल जाता. So everything depends on how we are working on this work, on this project. Okay, so I'm telling, अभी तक जो रियलिटी जो बोल दिया ना, वही मैं बोल रहा हूँ. So if you are working according to our guidelines, easily you can get 100% accuracy. So one more clarification I can give you. See here, 95% means here to get some errors in your work file, you are not doing any hard job here, no mathematical equations, no diagrams, no flowcharts to get errors, only plain text matter जो है वो टाइप करो बस. And लेकिन redundants आ रहा है बोले तो we can think of it, some 3 to 4 words will come out, so which word we have to match it we don't know. Okay, but that is also not there, no need to correct any spelling errors and grammatical errors, just dump the data whatever you see in the image file. So once you type the data and second time you verify it, you will be knowing your errors and you can correct it. Okay, sincerely काम करे तो 100% आने का chance है. So even though we will consider some errors, some we give you more full salary. So if your work is permitted mistakes से ज़्यादा mistakes कर रहे बोले तो your accuracy comes down. Okay, so at that time your accuracy comes down and we have to deduct your pay per page also, because data with mistakes our clients will not accept it. Right, that's what we need, accurate data. Okay, so for that reason now outside wherever you see, if your accuracy comes below 96%, so you will not get any project or any payment. So and you will not get the next work also, no chance also. Those who are giving real projects, they will not give you that type of limitation that only 96% and one time if you are gone means completely gone. Okay, that is not a genuine work. Genuine work means people have to give you 2 to 3 times of chance to continue the work, and they have to provide you minimum of 90% of accuracy to attain the salary, to attain this one, that is minimum equal to project they have to give you. Okay, but here we provide you, so up to 40% we provide you the salary. Those who are performing the data, they can attain 90% above also, all will be in this green shade only. Okay, those who are working very neglectfully means that people will get only 70%, 80%. Also you will get some salary from our side, you can improve the data working method next month and you can get more accuracy. Okay, and those who are performing 30 to 40%, no payment but no rejection. If you are giving below 30% of accuracy, then only your work goes to rejection. Okay, for this neglect people only it comes like this. Simply examination fee pay करके एग्जाम लिख रहा, 35 मार्क्स आए तो पास, 25 मार्क्स आया, सो बोले तो एग्जाम अच्छा नहीं लिखा, इधर काम अच्छा नहीं करे तो ऐसा आ जाता. For sincerely those who are following, they will never go to rejection. That means my meaning is here no, the rejection chances are very less for a sincere person. Okay. Next package plan, it is 250 page plan, 2500 rupees is the registration fee, 30 days is the duration, 22 rupees per page, and you will get it is 5500 rupees every month. Next package plan, it is 450 page plan, 55 is the registration fee, 24 rupees per page, and you will get 10,800 rupees. Is it really I am getting 10,800 rupees? Exactly, 1 rupee bhi less nahi aata. Everything depends on your accuracy only. Next one, 600 page plan, 66 is the registration fee, so 26 rupees per page, and you will get so 15,000 rupees etc. And this is 1100 package plan. Those who are having typing skills 60 to 70 words per minute, single hand also can maintain 1100 pages per month. So RL some 2 to 3 people share करके काम करेंगे और लोगों के लिए support हो जाते 28 rupees per page, you will get the payment. Okay, so up to here it is very nice only. So up to here everything is okay, but the registration fee is there 1500 to 12,000 rupees. So if you are providing the work genuinely, what